Hi, my name is Nefi Serday, and this screencast demonstrates a bash backup script I wrote for ITT221. The script automatically backs up my documents folder to the /mnt /backups using a time-stamped archive. This is an example of how Linux system administrators can use bash to automate routine tasks like backups. Well, let me just move this out of the way. You can kind of see what I'm doing. Okay. So let's get back into the actual script. Okay, now I gotta move this back. Okay. So let's walk through this bit by bit. So that first line here, the bin bash, tells the system to run the script with bash. The comments at the top explain that the script backs up my documents folder. And if we go down to computer problems, if we go down to the variables, we kind of read through it. The variables define where I'm backing up from, where the backup will go, and it will create a unique file name using the current date and time. So that's what all these are for. And then if we go down, we have these checks. So this first line here, the if part, this part makes sure the backup directory exists and creates it if it doesn't. If creation fails, it exists with an error. It exits with an error. Sorry. And then this next one, this part checks that the source directory actually exists before trying to back it up. And then let's see right here, so this backup command. Here I used tar to create a compressed archive of the documents folder. The CZF options mean compressed to tar, .tar.gz. The archive is saved in the /mnt/backups with the timestamped name. And then here we have our success check or block. This section checks if the tar command succeeded. If it did, it prints the backup file name and the backup size. If not, it prints an error and exits. So now we go ahead and exit and then run this. And of course, I have to move this back up here. There we go. Okay, so let me show you what I have in my documents folder. I apologize, I am a slow typer. So that's what I have within the documents folder, or documents directory, excuse me. And then let's go ahead and run that. Let me run the backup script. Okay, so we can see it's running through everything. The backup completed successfully. Okay. And let's go ahead and check the MNT backups folder that I have created and see that it's listed. I've already done this a few times to make sure it works. So Here in the MNT backups, you can see the new backup file with today's timestamp in the name. Every time I run the script, it creates a new uniquely named backup. Okay. This bash script is an example of automation for system administrators. Instead of typing backup commands manually each time, it can run one script to create consistent, repeatable backups. This saves time, reduces the chance of errors, and helps keep the system more reliable. All right, and that's pretty much it.